Hi, welcome to the Psychology of Sexual Behavior. I'm Virginia Thompson. I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. And I wanted to show you a few things in Canvas as well as reiterate a few things online. Um, the subject of human sexuality education is still a controversial one. And the purpose of this class is to bring together the facts about sex with the different sexual values and lifestyles that each of us carry, and also gain an understanding that our sexual attitudes and values are determined by the society and the time in which we live. So, what I learned as a young adult is maybe different than what you learned as far as how much was covered in your sex education. This class will cover both anatomical and social aspects of sexuality between humans. The content ranges from your strict biology in those first few chapters to complex social interactions between individuals. And we'll be covering a wide range of viewpoints on many aspects of sexuality. So I need you to be prepared to consider views different from your own. Every opinion is important, but I'll not tolerate any disparaging remarks, even online, toward another person's belief systems. Even if you believe that the others in the class agree with your remarks, there's a big difference between debating a point and ridiculing someone's beliefs. There will always be those people with diverse sexual backgrounds, orientations, persuasions, and experiences, and every person has the right to be treated respectfully. So if you feel insulted or bothered by any remark made within this class, whether from me or a classmate, make sure you get in touch with me. You can always just email me and let me know. And I just want everybody to be comfortable talking about all this stuff. What you'll notice in Canvas is that the entire class is in Canvas. The syllabus you can access over to the left. You can always go into announcements. Um, Most of your information is going to be in modules. And when you click on modules um, and go into here, the very first part is just the basics, whatever the textbook and things like this. You need to make sure that you pay attention to the directions. Each week, you're going to have discussions, assignments, and quizzes for each chapter, probably, that you need to complete. Everything's due on Sunday night, midnight. And except during that last week of class, of course, you have finals and things like that. So be sure to read the syllabus, look at the directions for everything, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.